Hi everyone, welcome back, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make lavender oil. If you're new here, my name is Alice and I post fashion, lifestyle, interior and DIY type of content. Make sure you stay all the way to the end as I'll be showing you two types of method to make this lavender oil. So let's get started. For this lavender infused oil, I'm using extra virgin oil, but you can also use jojoba, coconut or sweet almond oil. And also make sure you have an amber glass container. I'm using a clear one because I don't have an amber one. And also you will need the dried lavender. This lavender infused oil is different from the lavender essential oil, as that one is extracted using steam distillation, but this one we're using a carrier oil to extract the lavender. So I went ahead and added a few scoops of the dried lavender. You can put 5 to 6 scoops of the lavender. I'm using a teaspoon here. Oh, another alternative, you can fill the glass jar at least halfway with lavender. Then I went ahead and added the extra virgin olive oil into the container, leaving a little bit of room to be able to shake the content. Try as much as possible to reduce the amount of air into the container, because that's not a good combination. And then shake the content of your container. And I'm going to show you the tip of what to do if you don't have an amber glass container. So you can use newspaper or paper bag and just wrap your glass container with it and leave it by the windowsill for the oil to infuse. This is a slow method, so it will take approximately 2 weeks or 1 month for the oil to be infused before you can use. This is my container weight sitting pretty for it to be infused. So the newspaper blocks out the UV light. Try shaking the container every now and then if you can remember while it's infusing. This is the other method I'm going to show you if you don't have all the time to wait for 1 month before you can use your oil infused lavender. You can heat the oil in a pan of water for fast infusion. So you put your water in a pan and then add your oil and your lavender in a glass container and just heat it up for a few hours, and adding more water as it evaporates to avoid heating a dry pan. So we all know that lavender is good for our skin and also for our health and well-being. It also has antiseptic and antibacterial properties, and it also aids in healing of insect bites and stings and burns. So the next step is to strain the oil, and whether you let the oil to infuse naturally or you heated it up, you're going to use a cheesecloth or a sieve. Here I'm using a fruit bag and I've added an elastic band just to hold it in place, and then I went ahead and poured the oil into the container. If you feel that the oil is not strong enough, you can go ahead and repeat the whole process again using the same oil, and you can also add more lavender. You can also increase the shelf life of your oil by adding vitamin E, and this is what your oil should look like. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.